All right, what is good, Sham family? Right now we are doing a triple tree swap on the Apollo. One sec. We're doing a triple tree swap on the Apollo. Man, I'll tell you, so I bought a new triple clamp. This is the bottom piece. Here's the top. So the top is 45, the top holes are 45 mil and the bottom holes are 48 millimeter. If you have the Apollo DB007, this front shock is 48 millimeters. So the 45 millimeter that I bought will not fit on top, but is okay because I only need the bottom piece, because this happened about 2 years ago and I just haven't been home to buy one. Also, when you buy this, you have two little, I guess, spacers. I'm not sure how to call them, but they're gonna be already inside from the last triple tree that was in there. They are bigger than these as well, so you're gonna have to use the stock ones. Also, these bearings, if you can see, the old bearings are bigger, which means if you put the new bearing in, you're gonna have a weird little wiggle in there. It doesn't fit right. So right now I'm gonna try to clean these bearings up. To get this process started, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to drop your handlebars, take your handlebars off. Then you're gonna want to unbolt your front tire, pull your front tire out. Then you're gonna want to disconnect your brake from your brake line from your right fork over here. It's all screws, very simple. Then you're just gonna want to pull the bolt from your tire, pull the tire out, and then just start unscrewing these little Allen keys out of your triple tree. Also, at the top of your triple tree it's like a screw. You're gonna have this little impossible ass thing. I don't know, I guess it's like a lock. It's like a lock nut, I guess, or lock washer. I don't know, because it's impossible to get off, and I just spent like 20 minutes banging on it with a hammer and a flathead to try to get it off. But the new one goes on flawlessly. It might just be that the new one goes on flawlessly, but the fucking old one came off fucking terribly. So we're gonna swap that out. I'm gonna see if I can finagle to try to get these the new washer and what's it called, bearing in here. I probably won't be able to, which is fine. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. It's too small. That sucks. But other than that, I'll show you a video of how to take it apart. Also, I got my suspension over there. You're probably wondering, like, oh, what the fuck is this guy doing? Shit looks crazy. I just had I had gasket sealer on here because it's like a slip-on, so I needed to seal the gasket. I'll go over everything else when it's actually complete, but thanks guys, stay up.